Unang banat para kailangan na tapos. Magingay. Let's start now. Ako pala so this group here and my right is right tube is the group 1 and my left side is water tube group 2. So ini ano papakilala muna. So the floor is now for the speaker. So your time starts now.
So good afternoon, everyone. We are the water tube boiler team. So in a water tube type boiler, so the water is inside the tube. And with that, we can create a compact design for a boiler. So what we are stressing is that with using water tube boilers, we can lessen the amount of space that we're going to consume in order for us to produce a specific quantity of steam. So we already know that a ship space is very movable. So with water tube, we can decrease that amount of space that we're going to give to a specific machinery, which is the boiler. So which means that with decreased space consumed by the boilers, we can decrease the space we will use in the engine room. With that, we can use those other spaces for the expansion of the cargoes. For example, for where we can put our cargoes. Because imagine if we have a very big engine room, because we need to have a bigger engine room because we're using fire tube. So with water tube, we can lessen the space consumed and so on. Mas space efficient water tube because compact yung design. And ano siya? Compact design.
So the time is not wala na ako ang yang time so we would give a break time for 1 and 30 minutes. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Any gatherings or groups is allowed. Space mana ni?
Pwede ko, humanap ka din rin ang huwag sa 1.5 minutes.
Malam mo sila.
Puso na sir.
So time's up, and now the floor is open for the opposing team, which the speaker is Mark Allen, and you can start now.
Okay, so hello everyone, my name is Mark Allen. Hello fellow debaters, hello speaker, moderator, and sir. I'm here to open the case for the fire tube boiler design team, and while there are undeniably a lot of advantages that the water tube boiler design offers that can make you decide to choose it over the counterpart, which is the fire tube boiler design. There are a lot, if not, there are a lot of advantages that this boiler design, which is the fire tube boiler design, can offer. There are a lot of boiler designs that this fire tube can offer that can offset those that the counterpart have imparted. Say for instance, you have mentioned about the compact size of or the compact nature of the water tube boiler design, and this entails that a lot of internal components inside the boiler will be hard to access since of its compact nature. And not to mention also that this advantage is not limited to water tube design only, since in fire tube design we have the Scotch type. I know you have heard of it from before. In our previous readings, it has been mentioned that Scotch marine boiler is mostly used on board ships, and this is a type of fire tube boiler design, and this fire tube boiler design is also compact in size. That's why it is used on board ships. So what I'm saying here is that this advantage that you have mentioned is not only limited to your design but also to ours. And since we value floor space over even height, that's why we use vertically oriented pumps, right? We can also use fire tube to substantiate this this consumption of floor space. Meanwhile, having the accessibility of its internal components. That would be good.
So, squeeze inward, then we will have again a break time of 1 minute and 30 seconds, and you may allow to gather your groups.
Dapat nag-introduce sa na topic na ito. Hindi ko lang naman ito. Pero ako, hindi naman ako. Hindi mo na siya. Hindi mo lang.
Or sorry, continue. Actually, akala ko 6. Pwede ka na yun. Latag na tanan. 4, 8, 2, para matamin. 1. Okay, time.
So the floor is now open for the second speaker for the opposing team again for the water tube. So your time starts now.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon to you, sir. So my name is Mr. Mestino. To further elaborate our argument about water tube boiler, we have established that compact design is present at both boilers. So now it is not anymore an argument. So let us proceed to performance. That is what we are here for. So the application of such water boiler, according to Google or marine site and mechanicalwithme.com, water tube boilers have higher efficiency than fire tube boilers. What do we mean by higher efficiency? So mas mataas siya o pressure buildup. Why? The tubes that is containing water are heated at the right angle. So this means that heat transfer and heat absorb are efficient. Mas dali siya i-absorb sa tubes. Then lesser ang water sa tubes. So mas dali siya produce of steam. So steam generation is quicker and thus work is done faster. This aids the steam pressure with a very high pressure of about 160 to 150 bars. This means that this type of boiler can be applied or can be utilized in large plants that can supply or suffice the needs of many consumers. Furthermore, in this boiler, steam contains high pressure and high thermal energy, thus increasing overall efficiency of the boiler. From statistics, 90% ang sa water tube, whereas sa 75% ang water tube. It also responds to rapid load changes and heat input. Because dali na maka-pressure build up, dali na maka-steam produce, so dili na mag-lisod if lower ang demand or higher ang demand. So that is not a problem for water tube boiler. And lastly, lesser sedimentation due to high pressure of steam tube. So pas-pas ang movement sa steam sa tubo, so wala kayo mabiling scaling and sedimentation. So what else? So sa application wise, mas better ang
10 seconds.
Water tube boiler due to its efficiency and fuel consumption. Kaya fuel consumption niya ratio 2:1 sa iyang steam production. And that will be all.
Next one.
So 1 minute and 30 seconds per time. Starts now. Okay. We give the floor for the second speaker for the opponent team. It is second terminante. So your 3 minutes starts now.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to everyone. You have said earlier that ang water tube boiler apoy, di makaskiling ang water tube boiler. Pero kanang imong topic, ang inyong kuwan, kanong di makaskiling kaya inyong ginamit nga medium is water. Di man may iwasan, no? And also, talking about space, mas cheaper ang fire tube boiler kaya nga naman, kaya ang fire tube boiler is less complex of simpler lang design. Then the water tube boiler has more additional installations and complex kayo yung design. So what it contradict sa yung isulti ganyan nga, gamay lang yung space. Dahil na siya mga additional installations. And one major point I'd like to discuss is about the cost good. Dahil ang fire tube boiler, to ang yung design and also the installation and pag-abot also sa maintenance. Kaya ang maintenance sa fire tube boiler is much more cheap than the water tube boiler since ang mga parts is malaglit na ma-install and also the maintenance of your type of boiler is very costly and not only costly, it will affect the time scale of the laborer, the space, and also the money that will be spent. What else?
So your 1 minute and 30 seconds break time starts. So ano man nag-gather siguro, okay na. Start. 5 seconds. Okay. So we're giving the floor for the third speaker from the water tube. So are you ready? So your time starts now.
So good afternoon everyone. So good afternoon sir, my name is Mr. Ronald James A. So I have 2 points, or I have 2 major points to contradict with these arguments. Okay. So the first point is about the maintenance of the boilers, which is our boilers, or what we call the water tube boilers. Where he said earlier that the maintenance of our boiler is more complex, which is more advantage for us because when we say complex, which means the repetitive task of maintenance is given a repetitive task of maintenance, then the other point is that the scaling. So we have these chemicals that we use in water tube boilers that can address the scaling. And so moving on, let's move on to the durability of the boilers. So as we all know, unlike the fire tube boiler, water tube boilers is far more durable when it comes for safer in design, and of course in general it lasts much more longer than the fire tube boiler. And based on my research, the water tube boiler can handle for about 5,000 psi pressures, and whereas on the other hand, the fire tube boiler can only handle 350 psi, which is of course one most dangerous and fire tube boiler because they cannot withstand the overpressure mubuto. Then in terms of thermal stress, of course, as we all know, water tube boiler has far more advantage because the construction of the boilers or the tubes inside the boilers is ang iyang tubes ba mas yes compact but the distribution of heats within the tubes are kanang uniform, which is to avoid ang explosion. Other than that, while on the other hand, the fire tube boiler kanang uniform ang distribution sa heat, which cause the explosion. And this also, and for water tube boilers also, 10% lang ang water ng zone sa tubes.
So, okay, and you have a break time of 1 minute and 30 seconds for clarify your thoughts on 30 minutes, 39 minutes. 39 So time's up for your break time and so the third speaker for the fire tube will now begin for his speech. So your time starts now.
So you have mentioned that in our topic, which is the fire tube boilers, that it is very repetitive in maintenance. But I mean, you have the point in there. But the thing is, it's more cheaper than yours. Okay, diba, you have mentioned that in your boilers, okay, it has thermal stress. So basically, in the long run, if may thermal stress in your boilers, may possibility na na-crack o na-develop leakages sa inyong pipes. So basically, if that will continue to happen, there could be instances na mas magbaba yung kanilang boilers. So another thing, bayad na po, mas ako ang cost sa inyo unless mas cheaper. The thing is, mas mapili mo puta na mas mahal na damage pa yun. Hindi na mo pili o fire tube na less but without the advantages. So although repetitive tasks, but it's cheaper. So since the ship's owners nowadays focuses only on their economical growth than spending too much or specific parts that can have temporary or primary solutions.
So break time 30 minutes. After the 1 minute and 30 seconds. Narap na yung buwan. Ika po yung sumatao. Mas
Pwede 1 minute na. About
So time stop. Okay, back to your seat now, and we're giving the floor for the fourth speaker for the water tube. Please hear it, and your time starts now.
So good morning, sir. My name is Sir So I'm your pretty much I think what you're about is what you say is wrong because fire tube boiler is more prone in thermostasis. It's because due to the rapid temperature changes in the metal chips caused by the fluctuating of the enabling structure and destruction of the metal and thermal strength. So by fire tube ang fire is natin the tube while water is the outside. So mas prone to siya thermal strength agad siya. So since ang fire is nasa sa tube then mag-expand na ito din concept expansion. So, on the other hand, water tube boilers are designed to minimize thermal stress. This boiler has separate tubes through which net combustion gases pass. While water circulates in surrounding tubes, the water circulating in the tube helps to regulate the temperature and reduce thermal stress. So, sa water tube, man is nasa soil ang water. So, makahelp siya pag-reduce sa thermal resistance. Ang kaya is naroon sa gawa sa receptor. So, in terms of water production, the water tube boiler, steam production, the water tube boiler offers several advantages in terms of steam production compared to other types of boilers like fire tube boilers. So higher efficiency water tube boilers have a larger heat surface area which allows for more efficient heat transfer. This means that we can use steam with less fuel consumption, resulting in higher overall efficiency. So, di ba kayo nasa ang tubig din ang tayo nasa kawas. So, mas dapat siya area na mapahintayin. So, mas dapat o steam na. So, faster steam generation, water tube boilers are designed that allows rapid steam generation. The water steam is surrounded by high classes of steam production compared to other types of boilers. So, mga nakakami. So, versatile design, water tube boilers can be designed to operate at high pressure and temperature, making it suitable for a wide range of industrial applications. They can generate steam at high temperature and pressures, which is crucial for processes that require high heat transfer rates. So, water tube boiler can operate siya in higher temperature and high pressure, while sa fire tube boiler is gamay na siya, no? So, hindi siya in power plants o mga production ng industry, hindi siya makasula ko kontra sa enhanced safety. What is your boiler have finished inside where the hand gases and water are separated?
So time out. And you're allowed to calculate group time start now.
Ikaw magkonsolusyon ko din ng kiribata ng tinagalan. Kailangan pa kuminaw, plus 1 minute. Hindi gani ako.
Ibalik ko na last na. Siya ang last na.
So, time is up. And please be seated. And the floor is open for the speech of Nicholas Plago for a time of 3 minutes. So, your time starts now.
So, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Nicholas Plago. I'm from the group of and you mentioned earlier na naging ka about sa high pressure and temperature operation. Higher pressure is development of high temperature, which is operating at high pressure temperature can temperate ang tube na siya sulod naman direct pa tapos direct ang heating. What if let's take in maubos lang siya kay walang supervision. Kuha ng supervision, low level ng water inside, which is can cause na ang tubes makita tas mag-cause of damage inside the boiler na mag-cause in higher maintenance. Tapos, syempre, nag-inuwi kanina about ang ganyan na ship owner nowadays focus on their economical growth and spending too much on specific parts that have temporary or primary solutions. Which is na mali ka itong imong mag-good manage magkuntali pa dagpan ang imong higher temperature working operation. Ang akong di-argument na mag-cause siya accidents or damage and mas worse explosion and sa thermal stress na mag-connect ko sa mag-cause siyang damage due to thermal stress, di ba kay it requires supervision. Also, i-atap ito sa cause ang supervision kay ang humans di man para robot na bisa di mo ba yung kundi bantayan ang humans mag-cause could be of human error ang sa mag-supervise what if ang iyahan ba kaya early morning 12 to 4 katagod ng mga tao tapos binawang pa sa kuan mag-cause could be human error ang supervision kaya hassle na sa mga ship owners kay dako ang cost tapos sila economical growth. What akong i-point out sa about supervision tapos thermal stress. And also ang advantage sa mga kay
So that's not a gentleman. Your next time starts now. So, I think the speaker is ready. So, the floor is open for your speech, and you have given 3 minutes, and time starts now.
Hey, everyone. Okay, so thanks for earlier. So Gusto may gamit sa engineers, no? Di ba? Kasi gamit sa engineers. So, naman follow na mga rules, mga breakdown na atay maintenance na. So, posible nga mabuksan o water na sa tube, di ba? Kasi gamit sa engineers na ito, ang water boy lang po ba sa mga upa? Kasi na. No? So, responsible ang engineer kung na tama. So, kung siya gamit sa ito, sila ko, inaano, sa guideline. And then, aside na, kumatawa ko sa kung na advantage sa water tube boiler. Sa water tube boiler, it is suitable for any type of fuel, no? Like sa water tube boiler, there's a 50 and ability to handle various type of fuel. No? So this is primarily due to the design, the features and construction sa mga main advantages sa water tube boiler. No? So like mga few reasons why water tube boiler are suitable for any type of fuel. So una, high heat transfer efficiency. So ang water tube boiler have a large surface area for heat transfer. So thanks to the numerous tubes that run to the boiler, and this allows for transfer of heat, efficient transfer of heat from combustion of any type of fuel to the water surrounding the tubes. And then also, secondly, any uniform heat distribution sa water tube boiler. So ang distribution of heat sa water tube boiler is more uniform due to the circulation of water within the tube. So this helps in evenly distributing the heat generated from different types of fuels and ensuring the efficient combustion. And then, usapon diri ang kaning water tube boiler are designed to be environmentally friendly, no? By offering the option to use cleaner and renewable fuels such as biomass, waste materials. This capability helps in reducing greenhouse gas emission and promotes sustainable energy practices.
So your break time starts now. Can you
offer higher efficiency compared to fire tube. This is due to larger surface area of heat exchange, allowing for greater heat transfer and combustion. So, in ang bato is ang bato na human error sa pagpaan
So, sa may gamit na sa may gamit sa engineers, sa mga engineer. So, di ba na perfecto, di ba? Ngayon mo dyan ang inubay sa engineer. So, higher emission costs, water tube boilers tend to be more expensive to manufacture and install, potentially offsetting the long-term efficiency gains. So, and mas complex yung maintenance mode kaya the intricate design of water tubes can make maintenance and cleaning more challenging. And then, kung siya can scaling and founding can and reducing efficiency over time. So, though engineers officer serve important roles, we cannot close out the possibility of mishaps related to equipment lang, di ba? Sa fuel flexibility, Scotch boilers can accommodate a range of fuel types, providing flexibility in fuel procurement for ships that need to rely on power resources in order to their journeys. So kaya ang virtual boilers mas gawin siya sa large auxiliary ships, di ba?
Your speech is done. So, and your break time starts now. Sama na ko. Gawa na yung pawala. Minus ko isa mo. Gusto mo? So, we're giving the floor for Agnes Emmanuel for his speech, and we're giving 3 minutes for your time, and your time starts now.
So, representative of water boilers, actually there are some inconsistencies with your statements regarding water boilers that are disadvantage related to water boilers. First, there is maintenance. You said that water tube boilers are more sophisticated and more complex than fire tube boilers, so it's difficult to maintenance. Well, in the modern construction of boilers, there are companies keep in mind through safety and ease of maintenance, which means water tube boilers are more easier to maintain, which means it has more accessible parts, which ease the maintenance of the crew and easier for it to replace. Yes, the water tube boilers then is hard to maintain, but today, in the modern era, the development in technology is much more greater. The development also of water tube boilers enhanced in their efficiency, maintenance, and safety. Also, what you said that in this world of economics, the companies emphasize their economy rather than anything else, or that is wrong. They also emphasize through safety, which means that the engineering is, let's say, safer relative to past generations. The water tube boiler is much more safer because of the risk of explosion of a water tube boiler is less than the fire tube boiler, because the fire tube boiler has greater water capacity need for a heat shield, and when that water capacity is low, the explosion could be great and catastrophic for the ships. compared to water tube boiler will be where water, water can is only a tenth of what the fire tube can handle. Well, with the water going inside the tube, if it comes to a risk of explosion, it's only a localized explosion. And when it comes to tube rupture, it is much more safer compared to a fire tube boiler, where a simple rupture could expose the flame to water, cool water, which can increase the chance of explosion and failure to the ship.
So that's all. Sampai time. Yuk. Sampai time. Dan kita di So that's the end of speech of classness. So we're giving you break time, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Starts now.
For the English version.
So 40 minutes and 23 seconds.
Basta ako may last na.
Oh, ikaw na sila yung speech. 3 minutes siya. Oh, 3 minutes siya.
Pwede fail. Spalling, sliding, shrinkage, cracking.
So time's up. Please go back to the seat now, everyone. And the floor is open for the last speaker for the fire tube, and I don't know what he's doing. He gave his conclusion or remarks.
I'll first give the rebuttal.
Okay. So we're giving you 4 minutes. For your 3 minutes, sir. For your speech, and time starts now.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm DJ Fernando. So I will just give a quick rebuttal about what Mr. Agnes have said. So he said that the fire tube boilers use water for insulation. But do you know that water tube boilers use insulation materials that are subjected to failing, such as spalling, slagging, and shrinkage, cracking. So that's my rebuttal. But for now, I will give my whole summarization, and I'll give more emphasis on what our team have said. So first comparison, we have the compact design. So the fire tube boilers are known for their compact design, making them a great option for smaller spaces, since we can save a lot of space, and at the same time we could carry more cargoes. And in comparison, the water tube boilers cannot be manufactured in package form, which means that their installation procedures in the workplace tends to be more comparatively difficult and time consuming. Also, there are mountings that needs to be mounted, and also you have said that you need complex components as well, which makes them larger in size. Next point, we have the simple operation for fire tube boilers. Fire tube boilers are relatively simple to operate in comparison, or compared to the more complex control systems for water tube boilers.
which are mainly needed for the drum level due to the smaller water spaces. Since ang water ang lusod sa pipes, so gamay lang ang maka-accommodate the space sa water na gikan sa water drums. Then, next, we have the cost effectiveness. So, fire tube boilers are generally more affordable than other types of boilers. That includes the water tube boilers. So, according to research, when we purchase fire tube boilers, we can save up to 50 to 60% of the cost that we would have if we purchase water tube boilers. Imagine that. Then also, fire tube boilers are easy to clean and repair because maintenance can be performed from outside the unit rather than inside. And Mr. Agnes, I want to ask you, does every ship that you mentioned already, does every ship has already that modern technology that you have stated right now? We can totally tell, right? Since there are still ships that doesn't have that maintenance operation that could happen easier. Then lastly, we have the safe to use. So fire boilers or fire tube boilers are safe to use since they have a simpler control systems. Again, compared to the more complex control systems that are needed to the water tube boilers. And also, Mr. Arasteo, we should also consider that operators must be faster when there is an alternation because everything happens faster with a water tube boiler. So, Mr. Aristeo, bisan pag usap na ito ingon na nag-eskwela ta, we are taught about everything, about what to do. Accidents cannot tell itself. Accidents cannot be predicted. So, when accidents happen, hindi na natin consider that we lack something, we were taught everything. It's because we are handling a much complex, a much dangerous component or a much dangerous system. We are building a much dangerous system. To add, we also have emission control system. Sorry, can I extend for 1 minute?
No. Given an extension already. 4 minutes coming at that.
So, that we are for the last speaker for the fire tube. So, we have pretender. So, so you have same thing, time. So, your time, the floor is yours, and you're given a time of 3 minutes. And your time starts now.
So in shipping, we basically kind of think about the cost, the amount of steam that we're going to produce, and the quality of steam, and how fast can we generate the steam. So why are we going to consider the cost? Because it is an industry. So first, with what you said, package form, but in shipping we really require a higher demand of steam. So with package form we can only produce a little steam. So it is not enough to supply for the accommodation, for the air conditioning, for the warming up of the fuel. And if we don't have the capacity to heat up the fuel faster, then we need to have much time on ports. So we can't really start the engine easily if we don't have faster generation of steam, because it's unlike compressed air, we can't store steam. So we can't store steam. Then another is its compact design. So we strongly believe, and based on research, it is really true that with water tube boilers, we can have a compact design, because we are also considering the output. We might have a less space taken by the fire tube, but the capacity that it can produce is less. Imagine with water tube boilers, we can produce 1 to 2 ratio in terms of fuel use and fuel use compared to the steam produced. Then we also need to emphasize higher efficiency efficiency because fuel is very costly. So if we are spending a much more money for fuel to produce a specific quantity of steam, then we really have a higher cost with fire tube boilers. Then another thing that I would like to emphasize is for the flexibility in fuel types. So with water tube boilers, we can have flexible use of fuels. That's why we can opt to using those low value fuels. And so this water boilers, so lower efficiencies, yeah. If we have lower efficiency, so need na to boiler na maka-cope up sa capacity. So we need a bigger fire tube boiler. So hindi mo nakatong scotch type. So dili siya nga nakadako siya scotch type. Although compact siya, but yung capacity na maka-produce ng steam is less. So we need a larger scotch type in order for us to compensate the capacity of the steam that we need. So with fire tube boilers, so with water tube boilers, ma-cope up na ito ang ingato na capacity sa less lang siya nga space. And safety sa safety, mas safe with water tube boilers. Although don't have high pressure, but we have these mountings and fittings that will prevent the overpressure. So then in the long term, since ang maintenance sa tanang water tube boiler is dili siya nga nakagrabe compared sa fire tube boiler, so mas okay.
Okay, usap kay bata na sa likod be. Bata. Usa. Dari mo ba? Dari mo din niya sa conversation.
Wait, 1.5.
Wala kay tabangin. So kay amo kuan nakita ko dito. And then kaya na ako sa likod mo sa tabangan. Okay. O sige daw, kung sa rahaw, nakakuban.
Sir, my name is Derek Mug. Mahal na ako is in terms of when you feeling sir, long term, another is not only extra because Mr. Pizarro is that pagingin siya mas disadvantage, mas yung mas disadvantage like in terms of replacement ng mga parts. So, kailangan po siya nalagay mga ships na o mga manufacturer na nag-improve nga po. Ako ba ito service nalagay ko sa kalong kay hindi po mga sauna ng mga kwan. So, nalagay po mga sauna na walang improve, nalagay po ng paritron na hindi ako condition pero botong mas quality ako ng fire tube kay mas easy replaceable in terms of longevity, sir, kay water tube, ginagawa siya buwan, mga bed, special tubes bed na requires para consider ang mga time source and replace. In addition, in fuel tube is inside the water, it's hard to repair. That each way you have to replace several good tubes just to reach the defective one. So, ang ina boiler, ay sinangang na-empty to make para ma-repair ang mga tubes.
Sir. So, Dr. Sir, my name is Bishop C. Dolar. So, first, sa Mr. Struggle, ang atong mga engineer, dili ta mga bulok. Dili na sila utang mental nga ma-melt. So, ang kanang mga engineer, nag-invento na sila og metals nga dili ma-melt. So, ang gigamit rin sa atong pananaw sa the tubes in the boiler are typically designed to be fire resistant. So, gana. Para resistant. Mulai mga engineer bubutang na napapamiltra kaya mo daw ka na ang ilan ka mga tihibok. So, they
high temperatures and resist the effects of combustion and heat. These materials are chosen for their ability to withstand the intense heat generated by the boilers or heating element, ensuring that the tubes remain structurally sound and do not pose fire hazards. So, mo to kami sa Fernando. So, there mo na Mr. Militante. So, Mr. Militante o MJ, nag-talk about sa size and space. So, ang fire tube boiler, generally, for smaller one, smaller and occupy less space compared to water tube boilers. They are often used for smaller applications with lower steam or hot water requirements. While sa amos sa water tube boilers, usually ginagamit siya sa mga larger and handle higher capacities of steam or hot water. They are suitable for industrial applications with higher demand and can be more efficient at generating large amount of steam. So, wala siya sa iyo na yung game yun. So, Mr. Iman, ang proficiency of pressure and efficiency, fire tube boilers na uno are typically used for lower pressure applications only. They are generally